In this video, we'll walk you through replacing your genuine GE XWFE water filter, located in your refrigerator's fresh food interior in the upper right corner. Your refrigerator will let you know when it's time to change the filter. The filter light will blink while you are dispensing until the filter is replaced. You can also change the filter sooner if you notice the water flow to your dispenser or ice maker is noticeably decreased. Grasp the filter and gently turn it to the left about a quarter turn until you feel the filter release and you hear a faint click. Remove the filter completely and discard. First, gather your new filter for installation. You may notice a small design difference with your new filter. This is okay, and installs the same way as your previous version. Now, line up the arrow on the filter with the filter cartridge holder. Gently push the top of the new filter up inside the holder. Slowly turn the filter to the right until you feel it automatically adjust into place and you hear a faint click. Do not over-tighten. If the filter expired indicator does not automatically turn off after replacing the filter, press and hold the water button for 3 seconds to reset. Run 2 gallons of water through the cold water dispenser for about 5 minutes to remove air from the system. Water may spurt out and air bubbles may be visible during this process. It is normal for water to appear discolored during the initial system flush. The water will return to normal after the first few minutes of dispensing. That's it! You've successfully replaced your GE XWFE water filter.